So hello guys, we're back in another video of me Tax, and in this video I'm going to tell you something so fun, way too fabulous and good for the creators who are in YouTube. So let's get started with our work. So first what I'm going to show you is something so good. So today I'm going to tell you a website which makes best thumbnail for YouTube. According to me, they make the best thumbnail for YouTube. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a thumbnail for YouTube in that website, and I'll share the link in the description. So here you can see I have so many projects with this website from now. I have so many projects. So today I'm going to make a new project and show you how to make. So first we go to here, create a design. Then we there's a option for YouTube icon also, YouTube thumbnail also. So I'm gonna select thumbnail. So okay, so here we are in a new template, means new file and everything. So here there are templates. First option, templates. So here you can do any template if you don't wanna like work hard or you just wanna do fast. So you can click on any template here, which is on your choice. You can click any and just do fast download. So here you can see this template, it came so fast. So now you can do one of your also. So now, as you all know, this is such a good website. You can just get ready-made templates, so you can means it's easy for you. So, but I don't use templates because I don't think they're useful for me. But it can be useful for you if you want templates, you like templates. But I just do normal, make everything by scratch. So okay, then we come to uploads for uploading our photos which we like. So here is one picture. Here I set the picture properly, resize the picture. Okay, I resize the picture, then resized. Then what we do is upload the picture what we need to get pointed. So here is the picture what I want to get pointed. So here my thumb is pointing to this YouTube Shorts logo, and I'll just resize it a bit. And then we can put text elements, but I like to do what is background. I like to first put background. I like this two backgrounds so much, and I like this one too, but today I will use this one. But really you can use this one too, it's fab, but today I want to use this one because I think this matches. So yeah, this one. Then now it looks better. So I'm gonna resize it. Now I'm gonna put the text. There's so many options for text. So I just like this one because I recently used it and it was fab. So it's welcome little one. So I'm just gonna delete this part because I don't want this. Now write what you want here. So I will write how to YouTube short. Now you have to resize the text. So here I will resize it. Okay, here you go. Now we put it on the place. So here is it. Now here we did the text. Now let's go to elements because I use lines from here like this arrows. I use arrows here. So just resize the arrow and point it here. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now I like to put some emojis and photos. So first we'll go with photos. I like to put YouTube logo in my thumbnail. Then I like to put this subscribe button. So yeah, I'll resize it. Okay, perfect. Looks perfect here. Okay, now I'll go to my emoji section. Emoji. Then okay, so we're here at emojis. Okay, so here we're at emoji section. So let me put this with a star one. Let's resize it and let us put it here. Oh, doesn't it look like a perfect thumbnail? The means it's a quality content. People can see like it's a quality content. So if they see this thumbnail, they'll say, "Wow, looks good." Means the video will be good. So this gives an impression. So here we can just change the name of our thumbnail. Study shots. Then download. Here we come to downloading. So just don't select these both options because these are paid, and for pro users, try Canva Pro, you have to pay for that. So and I select I would like to tell you, just select PNG format because it's suggested here, and just don't do transparent and compressed file option, and just click download here. I'm preparing a design. So here it is, it's downloaded automatically. So we'll just click this shots.png, and so now here it is. So now you can upload it in your video, and you can do anything with it. You can share it to friends and ask them how does it look. So please like this video, subscribe my channel, and share to your friends if you're new, and you can go to my new channel and check that out too. See you. Bye bye.